was planning to walk the length of the Great Wall of China. And if I get 10,000 subscribers, 10,000, repost this and get everyone to subscribe. Okay, don't make me eat my words. Here's a recap of what I did yesterday. Watch this video. Watch the full video. And chips. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk. Watch this. That's the video. That's a short highlight clip from yesterday. So if you want to watch the full video, I did it in 3 parts. So watch yesterday's video. Good morning. So I did not do my laundry yesterday because I was out all day. I'm vlogging my life. So today I have to do laundry. I'm out of underwear. I found underwear, my last one. Okay, I'm ready to go out for a walk. All right, let's go. Just missed that bus. By like 5 seconds. Oh well. Maybe I'll catch it on the other side. Let's see, where does it go? How do I cross the street? There's a barricade. I can't jump over. I gotta walk around. Walking. February 28th. The stores are still closed. There's a bunch of them still closed. That's what I see. Yeah, so people are still on holiday. I was in the store. I'm still looking to get a what do you call it? A hard drive for my videos and photos. I'm doing so much uploading on YouTube that I'm running out of space on my phone. I saw a store, a restaurant that sells the hand pulled noodles, and it's from Lanzhou Lai Min. So yeah, let me go check it out. I'm not sure if they're open yet. I don't think they're open. I gotta check the time. Is it 11 or 12? Let me check. It's only 11, and that's why. So most stores in China, they open around 11:30 to 12. Just like in Toronto. Like some restaurants, yeah, they open around 11:30, 12. That's how it works. So I'm too early to eat. I don't want to go too far because I gotta come back and do my laundry. Yesterday the lady said do laundry at 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna try and get back to the hotel at 1 o'clock to do laundry. And right now it's 11. Yeah, I got 2 hours to kill. I could eat here. Steamed buns, dumplings, yeah, the normal stuff. Or I could go here, eat some noodles. But I want my hand pulled noodles. 早晚店
Means breakfast, night, food, or store. Number 7. So, sublook fun. I gotta translate this. Number 2's not coming back this way. It's number 7. That's weird. I thought it would be number 7, but it's not. Oh well, I will still get on. Taking a picture. Why is he taking a picture? I was taking a picture. Oh. The number 2. Oh, so it is number 2. The piece of plastic fell off. Because I'm laughing because I remember the TDC CEO once said on TV, "Oh, Toronto's got the best transit system in the world. It's only $3 Canadian, and you can go from one end of the city to the other end of the city. Blah 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 blah." I say you can't find anything cheaper than $3. Come to China. Come to China. I ended up in one of those wet markets, fruit markets. That's what you call a wet market. Let's go in. Mental note, I almost poked guy. My feet slipped. Hit the. Anyways, I almost fell down. I'm gonna head back to my hotel. It's almost 1 o'clock, so I can wash my clothes. And I also want to get the hand-pulled noodles across the hotel from me. Yeah, it's such a nice day. I'm not too far from my hotel, so I'm just gonna walk it. 23 minutes. That's around 2 kilometers. So yeah. And then by the time I get back, it'll be 1 o'clock. Perfect timing to wash clothes. Enjoy my walk. Should rename my channel to Canadian Red Hat Guy Walks China. Just walked by this guy. He was eating fried rice. It looks delicious. Oh, is that curry? I remember yesterday I was gonna go to a curry restaurant. Maybe I should eat some curry. No, I don't know yet. I did bookmark that restaurant for curry. Should I go back today? Okay, you know what? Let me wash my clothes first and then decide. I'll eat later. Laundry shop. Maybe I should get them to wash my clothes. Oh wait, first night, second night. Bring it back today. Maybe they get it done tomorrow. I gotta bookmark this. Laundry shop. laundry floor, top floor. Yay, I get to wash my clothes. Come join me. I did a thing. Hashtag Jeremy Clarkson. The drain. Yay, it's draining. God, it's spinning. That's fast. That can be faster than my home dryer. I mean, not the dryer, the spinner. Spin cycle, it's fast. It's beautiful. And every home has a hot water tank on the top of the roof. It's solar powered, like to warm it up. Very efficient. In Canada, we can't put it on top of our roofs because during winter it will freeze and explode. The tank would probably explode from the expansion of ice. Spin cycle's done. Now I just have to hang my clothes. Here we go. Awesome. Done. Just let it hang dry and I'll come back tonight, maybe tomorrow, and it'll be dry. Yeah, that was nice to hang laundry. It's peaceful. I feel content. I feel a sense of happiness. I think now it's time for me to get some lunch. So that's part one of my day. Laundry. It was just focused on laundry. So yeah, see you in the next video. I'm gonna end the video here because the file size is pretty big.